Miss Hazel Santos.
There.
Ayun po siya sa likod.
Hazel, first congratulations for the film. Gaano kahirap o kadali ba para sa'yo na instead of the normal delivery ng mga dialogue, ay ikakanta mo ang mga linya mo?
Sound check. Yeah, pero na po. Nag-umpisa po ako as a singer. Kaya siguro masasabi ko mas madaling magkwento ng pakanta para sa akin. Pero hindi nangangahulugan na madali itong gawin. Dahil ito ay isang obra na classic pa noong 1980s na Serikili. And although we've staged it back in 2018, 2019 as a musical, now, na ginawa nitong pelikula, ibang medium po, iba rin pala talaga ang hirap ng paggawa ng pelikula.
So, mas mahirap nga na kinakantong?
Yung pagkanta, okay lang po sa akin. Yung pag-film itself and doing it a number of times for different angles, dun po kami nanibago bilang mga awit at performers sa teatro.
Ask maybe the creative or even the cast, bakit kailangan gawin o i-revive, gawa ng bagong version ang Himala na isang klasikong pelikula?
Why not?
Yes!
Ang feeling ko, itong ginagawa ito para siyang tribute doon sa 1982 film na ginawa namin. And natuwa nga ako nang nakita ng Himala. Nagkaroon ako ng feeling ko parang yung classic na Himala na nanganak siya and iba pang versions, paying tribute sa kanya na nakapagpapalit sa kanya. And para sa isang writer, masaya nakikita mo na yung trabaho mo at transform into different mediums. Naging musical siya, naging stage play ng stage siya, naging literature siya, and hopefully naging graphic novel siya. Ganun siya rich yung possibilities niya. So masarap para sa akin. Pero I think ang mas makakapagpaliwanag sa Kevin.
Well, I had seen the film as a younger, even as a film student, and fell in love with it. It really had an indelible mark on my mind. And then when I watched the staging for 2018 and 2019 with this wonderful cast and Hazel, with the libretto by Sir Ricky and Vince, it was the most powerful experience I've ever had in a theater. It made me laugh, it made me cry, it gave me goosebumps, and then I left the theater. Ang dami ko pong iniisip. I was thinking about the play long after I had seen it. And that's the same experience that we would all like to share with viewers this MMFF. Isa po siyang kwento na antik sa puso, isipan natin lahat. And I think 42 years after the original film, napakalakas pa po rin ng mga themes and ideas na ang kwento ni Elsa is something that I think really needs to be revisited and brought to life, this time in a different dimension of music. Just one more thing to say about that. So I think the main difference between yung original film and musicals, because sa music, ilalabas natin yung mga nasa loob natin. Yung mga hindi natin nasasabi natin sa pamamagitan ng kanta. And here, because of that, you're given a different view of Elsa and a different view of everybody.
Last point. Kanina, I wanted to ask Hazel, ano ang naging reaksyon ni superstar national artist Nora Honor na ikaw ang magbabahagi ng kanyang classical Elsa role? I think napanood ka niya many times or a few times dun sa stage, no?
I think back in 2018 nang nanood si Miss Nora Honor sa amin, naaalala kong niyakap niya kami, nangingilit ang kanyang luha, at may litrato ako, may ebidensya, na magkahawak kami ng kamay at kilig na kilig po ako. At ang naaalala kong sinabi niya, na nung balik lahat sa kanya, nung kanilang film, ang Himala. And from that, I took it as a blessing, as a yes to what we just did. So,
And then may full support si Ate Guy sa project na to. May participation sa pelikula. In fact, dun sa trailer, yung huling voiceover, that's Ate Guy.
Sabi ko ano yung naging participation niya. Ano yung naging participation ni Nora?
abangan.
Opo. Yes, abangan po natin kasi po ano.
Salamat. Mamaya ko natatanong si Bituin.
Oh, we're waiting. It's really good to know no, na parang it's a full circle moment after 42 years being a movie, and then 16 years from 2003 it was a musical, and then now it's coming back to MMFF now as a musical, a movie musical. So ang sarap-sarap pakinggan at puntahan ng naratibo yun. Yes po, Ms. Rose.
Good afternoon. Although medyo nagtatanong natin dito na kay Azel, of course, you played in a musical na talaga. And this time, it's a movie musical.
Guard. Guard. Ushers. Guard.
This part? Or not?
Wala kang karapatan na noon ng mga tao!
Yes, pakipigil siya.
Huwag yung lulukuhin ang mga nanonood! Gumagawa ka ng kwento para paniwala ka, Elsa? Yes! Ha? Gusto ko ang ibanda!
Yes, walang himanda. Tama. Boom! Ayun! Students! Yes! Magaling pa, Elsa! Lawan mo. Oo!
Awal lang! Totoo, may himala! Totoo, magaling na ako!
Ladies and gentlemen, Arman Salon! Di ba pinresent ko na siya? Ayaw niyang tumigil. Arman Salon! Ayaw niyang tumigil. In character siya. Nag-method acting siya. Sorry. Again, sa pong masigabong palakpakan. At nakita natin na pong may isang himala. Napatigil po ni Elsa. Napatigil po. Arman! Yes, oo, mag-bow ka na, mami. Kanina, nakatatlo kang beses na present sa'yo, ay ayaw mong tumigil. Again, Arman Salon! Oo, dito ka, hindi ka ng camera masyado kanina. Yes, ayan. Oo, picture na natin because this is such a milestone and a moment in MMFF 50 year